Check this out. We're getting some little gusty winds here. And it smells like rain. It literally smells like rain. Look at the clouds. Wow. Yep, just want to post this little tiny short here. I don't know which tree to look at right now. That was probably 20 right there. That was probably 20. That had to have been 20. There's the mulberry, and then there's the pear. Bradford pear. The fire is a little warm. Wind's going crazy. It's probably because there's a big cloud above us. Maybe the wind's coming in because there's a big cloud above us. Let's see if I can open this up. Oh yeah, the log burnt pretty well. And plus it's gonna keep the warmth inside and burn it. Alright, well I better get to bed. It's getting pretty late and I have church tomorrow. If the storms do get bad for this weekend, I will let y'all know. There is a chance of severe weather. Some gusty winds and hail. Alright, well, look at that dark cloud over there. You can kind of see it. Yeah. I put my camera up in the air with my hands. I rose my hand to put my camera up in the air so if you can see something. There's some crepe myrtles right there. Crepe myrtle trees. Or shrub. I think they're a shrub. Alright, well I better get inside. It's getting pretty cold and I need to go to bed. So I have church in the morning. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.